What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. You guys want to stay posted about my Z, my last couple videos, go ahead and check them out. If you guys don't know, I just picked the Z up, one of the cheapest Z's you'll ever find. Never got to clean it up yet, so we're going to go ahead and detail it up today. It's not too bad of a day today. I have to go pick a couple things up to get it detailed, so let's go for a ride. I'll see you guys there. For that, let me clean up this window, because this window is going to be hard to see through. That's some chemical, guys. Total interior cleaner. I left this in the Z the other day, and it's so hot where I live in California. This bottle is just annihilated. Yeah. Quick little wipe. My camera might be too bright. I don't know. I've been messing around with it to try to get a good picture. The other day I had the ISO too bright, and it made the more darker lighting, like at night. There'll be a lot of like gain. It'll just be a very like blurry picture and not pleasant. So I'm trying to get the best I can out of this camera. So I don't really know what this would look like until I watch it back on my computer. This is a small little action camera. And we're gonna super clean the Z today, so if you guys are interested in watching, stay tuned. Watch the whole video. See what I buy and see how we clean this baby up. It looks like shit right now. Take a look the whole time. Let's go. I don't know what's up with this car, but once in a while I go to unlock the door and I'll do this crazy alarm. Type of alarm I've never even heard before. Annoying ass alarm. Put our key in right in this. Clutch in. Wobble wobble. Takes a bit to start because it needs a sensor replaced. Not a big deal. So I brought a bottle of water with me in the Z, and I'm like, where the hell did I put it? Because I know some models come with a cup holder. I had no clue mine did. I seen this sort of thing. I pressed it. And we got the cup holder, baby. Very flimsy little cup holder, but I mean, a two-door sports car. I don't really have much, so it's awesome. At least we have that. Alright, let's go. When I first drove this car, I was so stuck. Like, I looked like an idiot because I couldn't reverse. Like, I thought I was in reverse, but I was actually in 6th gear. I'm like, what the heck is going on? I'm not going anywhere. And the guy told me, no, you have to push, you have to lock it. So you have to like push down and then put all the to the right. Then it locks in place to the extra gear. I never knew that because first time driving a Z, I was confused badly. Let's go. Some jackass tried cutting me off. So I see accidents happen in my city like 10 times a day, no joke. Like crazy accidents, because everybody in my city is a joke. There's just jackasses that don't know how to drive, and they don't care if they hurt anybody else. They're just looking to collect from their insurance or some bogus ass shit. Oh, there's actually a couple of back here. I don't know. Nice. I thought that was the only one, because I see a lot of Z owners always complain about the cup holders, and only some come with this one. We actually got 2 more. That's sick. As for the Z, guys, we're doing the test right now. I don't even know if I'm supposed to leave this seafoam in the engine for so long. I kind of heard the noise wanting to come back a little bit, and I don't know if that's for me letting it sit, because I was supposed to hurry up and drive like 120 miles and hurry up and get the oil change from what I heard, and I didn't do that. Hopefully I didn't screw nothing up. But we're gonna go ahead and just drive the 100 miles, get the oil change to see if that fixes anything. I'm not sure if maybe I should buy another can of seafoam and try it again and try to do it fast this time. But probably not. The oil in this car is very, very dirty, so I want to get the oil change as soon as possible. Also, if I do keep it, I want to change out the steering wheel. I know this guy on Instagram, I heard he does a lot of people's steering wheels, a lot of Z's too, that he makes them completely custom, very nice. I'm sure you guys probably know what I'm talking about. He makes them like carbon fiber, kind of anything you guys want them. Let me know if I should do that. It's kind of cheap, like 500 bucks or so. Let me know if I should do that or just get one of those, like, I don't know, like aftermarket steering wheels, no airbag, like a Sparkle or something, or whatever brand. Real quick, I'm gonna get a shop vac, because I have one, but it sucks balls. Hey, what is up, guys? We just got back from my drive. It was a headache. Nothing was happening. I think we had to go to a few stores. We had to go to a few Walmarts. Didn't work out. We had to go the next day later back to a different Walmart. And we went to Harbor Freight, and let me show you guys what I picked up. So I picked up this pressure washer, Portland pressure washer at Harbor Freight. It's 1750 psi. Comes with some different like size tips or something to make it like wider range or higher pressure. And I was actually looking to buy one. Harbor Freight didn't have them. I asked them, like, do you guys carry them? She's like, no. So when I put this in the car, I seen the box. I'm like, oh shit, it comes with one. It comes with a foam can. It's pretty sick. This is low pressure, so we'll test it out. It's probably not the best one, so we'll probably have to pick one up, but we'll see how it works out. And I got this at Walmart. So yeah, that's about it. Got our buckets. We got some buffing compounds and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this car real good, clean it up really, really good, clay bar it, and buff it, wax it, polish it. Try to bring this paint as best I can. Looks like that. I'm not gonna make it look perfect, but I'm gonna try to do the best I can to make it look as good. And I'm pretty confident that I could change the look of it just by washing it and cleaning it up. Just to figure out what I'm gonna do to it, I need to buff these out. They're really yellow and oxidized. I got a buffer. I can buff those out really good. Windows need to be cleaned deeply. They get a better look. See, I need to sew this up the best I can. I already got some thread and sew needle for it. This will be easy. This might be a little headache, but like I said, just for the time being. Online, there's a good website. I think it's called Corba or something. You get a couple seats for like $400 or $500. It's very affordable. Some racing seats. But yeah. It is filthy. I just detailed my truck, so I wasn't. Where I live, it's very like sandy, cause kind of desert part of California. I just detailed the truck after a while, and it's looking good. And I don't want to black paint. I recorded a video actually of testing the power washer the first time on my black truck. I washed my black truck last night. Look forward for that video. I don't know if I might post that first or this first, so whatever. I'll leave the link in the description, so check it out. But I've basically been using this as a work truck for now, because this car is already dirty. So we're gonna start with the inside, and then we'll do the outside. Let's get into it. Alright guys, we just now cleaned it out. We took all the junk out. I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum it, take all the dust off, make all the seats and the carpet clean, take all the dust and everything, all the dirt all around, all the shit on the floor. Try to make it as clean as we can. Then we're gonna go ahead and start scrubbing the seats. Yeah, shampoo the carpets, the seats, and wipe all the dashboards, the radios, you know, just wipe everything down, try to make it. I still don't know what it looks like underneath the dirt. I did heard that these Z's the plastic on them scratches real bad and it looks very tacky. So it doesn't look like it for me right now, but I feel like when I all clean it up, wipe it, because it's just covered in dirt and dust, you can't really see what it looks like. So probably as soon as I do that, I'm going to see a bunch of scratches. So stay tuned. Watch the clean, watch the before and after. Hopefully it comes out good. Let's get it. Okay guys, I think we're gonna stop the video over here because it's about to get dark out. I started pretty late, like almost 7 o'clock or so. It's just too hot during the day to get anything done. I was a little busy earlier too, so show you guys what I got done so far. I just cleaned it all out, got it ready, and I vacuumed everything, so it's looking pretty good so far. Even with vacuum, I took this mat off. I'm gonna pressure wash it because it's really dirty from underneath and stuff. Those floor mats probably gonna throw and order some Z ones. It's really dark in here, so you guys probably won't be able to see anything, so I'll give you guys a better view tomorrow. Alright guys, it's the next day. Fortunately, it's already kind of late. It's about 7 o'clock. I just got back home. So we're going to go ahead and try to do it as fast as we can. We're going to try to scrub the seats for now. Hopefully we have enough time to scrub the carpets as well. Just try to get them as clean as we can, but we're going to go ahead and start on the seats. I'll show you guys real quick that I can show you guys yesterday. The seats are very stained up. These things will not come out. I thought the vacuum would have so like dust, because the guy I bought this car from was a construction worker, and he was daily driving this to work. You can imagine doing construction work, you're always dirty. You come back in your car daily and it's gonna look really dirty. So cleaned up all the carpets, came out pretty good from front and back. I drove it today, so front seat's a little dirty again. I'm gonna have to re-vacuum. Something I actually found out, that this has a Bose sound system. I didn't even know. So I'm confused. I don't know if it's the bass or the track package. I don't think the bass will come with Bose. Again, please feel free to let me know down in the comment section. What do I have? Let's go ahead and scrub the seats. Okay guys, let me show you guys a quick update of how it's coming out. So I've been driving it around town daily, giving my truck a break. So I do need to re-vacuum a little bit, but it still looks a lot better than what it did. I scrubbed the seats as best as I could. I don't have what do you call those things? The thing where you extract it to suck up all the water, leftover water. But overall they came out pretty good. Probably leave a picture up here or a clip up here so you can see the difference, but as you guys seen in the video before, these are all caked and they're like pretty much brown. You barely could see the really original color of them, but there it is. Carpet's looking a lot better. I scrubbed it. I took those nasty floor mats out. Needs a quick little extra vacuum because like I said, I've been driving it. Alright guys, this is what we'll be using to wipe down the interior, all the plastics and stuff. My melted bottle of Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protector. But for now, just to get all that heavy dirt, because there's going to be some heavy ass dirt, we're just going to go ahead and use some soapy water. Shout out Chris Fix. So let's go ahead and do that.